This is a TKY Batwing fairing for the Honda Fury models. This Batwing fairing comes built specific for the Honda Fury with a mold that has been designed to match the lines, the body style, and the overall chopper look of the Honda Fury to give you a custom fitting fairing that looks like it came from factory with the bike. The fairing includes two 6.5-inch marine speakers with an amplifier pre-installed inside of the fairing and a Bluetooth module so that you can pair your phone and control all of the music directly from your phone to play out through the fairing speakers. The fairing also includes a 12-volt power outlet to charge your phone, and again, the two 6.5-inch marine speakers. A wiring harness is included in the fairing to run directly to the battery to make for an easy plug-and-play install. This fairing is offered in 3 different finishes, which include a ready-to-paint primer finish to paint locally, a gloss black paint finish, and a color-matched paint where you can provide us with your motorcycles, your make and model. We'll verify the color code, have that done, and paint it to match your existing bike. Make sure to order your fairing from accessoryinternational.com.
Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.